Nimo Bashir Daud, 28, killed in Sweden while returning home. Nimo Bashir Daud, a 28-year-old nurse, was tragically killed in Sweden while on her way home. The murder reportedly took place in a forested area near the Märsta neighborhood of Stockholm. Her close friend, Zainab Hassan, said she was on the phone with Nimo during the final moments of her life and heard her last screams. "She started calling my name, then screaming," said Zainab. That evening, Nimo had finished her shift as a nurse and boarded a public transportation bus heading toward her neighborhood. Zainab recounted, "I suddenly heard a loud noise and her scream. I kept saying, 'Hello, hello,' but the line went silent. Shortly afterward, Nimo's body was discovered in the forest. According to Aftonbladet, Nimo suffered multiple stab wounds, and the police confirmed that she was murdered. Family and friends speak out." Nimo's younger sister, Hiba Daud, 26, expressed her heartbreak. "She wasn't just my sister, she was my best friend." Hiba and Zainab were close to Nimo, and the three had been planning a trip to Turkey in June to celebrate Zainab's upcoming graduation. Both Hiba and Zainab described Nimo as a kind, caring, and compassionate person who was deeply loved by her friends and colleagues. "We don't want Nimo to become just another statistic. We want answers," said Zainab. "How did this happen?" She had no enemies, no one she had wronged. Police investigation and suspect details. Police have arrested a 38-year-old man in connection with Nimo's murder. According to Aftonbladet, the suspect has a history of mental illness and substance abuse. Public records indicate that he has been previously convicted of drug-related crimes and has caused property damage. The suspect reportedly stopped taking his prescribed psychiatric medication multiple times in the past and experienced relapses into substance use. On the night of the murder, he is believed to have been in the area. Sources claim that the suspect confessed to the crime upon his arrest. Community concerns. Nimo's murder has left local residents feeling alarmed and unsafe. The tragedy has also sparked discussions about mental health and public safety. As the investigation continues, Nimo's family is seeking justice and answers to the senseless loss of their daughter.